This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by Ashley Boyd. Oakland Park, previously voted #1 community to live in by Orlando Style Magazine. A parade of homes winner West/homes over $1 million. Certified green community keeps electric bills low, and gas cooking for the chefs at heart. Step outside and access the 22-mile-long West Orange Trail for outdoor exercising or cruise on your golf cart into infamous downtown historic Winter Garden. A dream come true neighborhood. A lot like this is a rarity to find with water views and a park that run from Lake Apopka to Lake Brim. Home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, office dining or optional 5th room, upstairs LOFT, stunning wood floors, gourmet kitchen, stainless appliances, granite counters, farmhouse sink, soft close kitchen cabinets, custom lighting, gas fireplace west/stone finish, 8 feet doors, room for a pool, and covered patios west/upstairs porch to enjoy evening sunsets. Spacious living west in open floor plan and ample light. Large, 16x18, downstairs master suite west/park views includes wood floors, walk-in closet, dual sinks, SPA-like shower, and granite counters. Laundry sits off the master. Upstairs includes 3 rooms, 1 bath, and open LOFT for additional entertainment. Community is golf cart approved and features parks, playgrounds, mature landscaping west/lakes and ponds, 2 pools, 1 resort style, the West Orange Trail for outdoor exercising, sunset views over Lake Apopka, community events, and a new spectacular clubhouse. Buyer to verify information. Measurements are approximate. Capture this custom beauty before it's sold. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley Boyd at 321-209-5540.